I unfollowed the shade room. I could not deal with it. Like I had to unfollow the shade room. I couldn't deal with it. It was just too much drama.
It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I guess.
What is up, everybody? I am back with another video, and today's video is gonna be more about how to mentally reset for 2023. Because like, why not? You need to reset for the new year. All the things that you promised yourself last year, you need to get it done the year that's coming up, okay? You know, you gotta promise yourself this. You can't say I'm gonna do it and then don't do it. You gotta promise yourself that you're gonna do these things and actually put the effort into doing all these things. All right, so that's what we're going to talk about today. If you already like this video, give this video a like and then subscribe to my channel because you already know what to do. All right, so let's get into the video, and we're going to start off with step 1. So it's 3 steps to really mentally preparing yourself for the year 2023. All right, so the first one is detox, second one is reflect, and the third one is planning. Because why not? You have to plan your life, honey. And the steps before that would just make you more mentally prepared, okay? But anyway, so the first step is detox. Detoxing as in, like, you know, not just social media. Like, you can do a social media detox. You don't have to completely get off of social media, but you can actually take time away from social media so you can actually like live a little in real life and do the things that you like and love that makes you happy, instead of just seeing everybody on social media and you wishing that your life was theirs and all this drama on the shade room. That's one thing I did. I unfollowed the shade room. I could not deal with it. Like I had to unfollow the shade room. I couldn't deal with it. It was just too much drama. And it's not against them, it's what they do, is their job. But sometimes they know nobody's in trouble. They know, they just want to get past the red lights. Anyway, all these people that they talk about online, they don't give a heck about me. So why am I giving a heck about their problems? That's none of my business, honestly. Like, I really don't like being in people's business. And for people to put like famous people's business out on the social media, it's just giving too much. Like, nobody asked for this. It's too personal. So I had to unfollow the shade room. Nothing against them, but yeah. That's part of my detox. If you can just get rid of the things that don't serve you in life, the people, the social media accounts, if you see things on your feed that you're like, who is this? Like, why am I following them? That means you don't really need to follow them, so unfollow them. Or like just people in general that is just doesn't serve you in life, or things that don't serve you in life. It's not just people. You can actually detox your body, eat right, do meal prep, eat healthy, go exercise, because you know, for the new year you want to look cute, because summer's coming up in June. Who's not trying to look cute in the summer? Yeah, okay. You could also pick up a book or learn a new course to actually learn something and like just bring more knowledge into your life and awareness and stuff. There's nothing wrong with learning something, okay? Because bookstore right around the corner, the library right around the corner, the internet is in your hand. So pick up a book, learn something. You can always, it's nothing wrong with learning something new. It's not. So yeah, those are the ways to detox your life, basically. So step 2 is actually to reflect. And what I mean when I say reflect is like, you can sit back and evaluate yourself and see what you could do better in life, what you want to do better in life, to know yourself better, reset to yourself. If you need some prompts, you can go on Pinterest and actually like look up journaling prompts to do some shadow work, get to know yourself. You can do inner child work. You can do, there's so many prompts on Pinterest that you could really like sit there and just like recenter yourself and kind of like date yourself for a while. Like, just work on yourself. There's nothing wrong with working on yourself, you know, just resetting yourself, learning something new. And those actually will help you. And I hope they do, because I'm going to work on those things as well. Like, you don't understand. But yeah, so the third step is actually planning, and there's nothing wrong with planning. I feel like that's the most exciting thing to do. It's just like you see all your progress and everything, and you just like sit there, just now you got a plan. It's just like, it's exciting to me. So the first step to planning is setting a goal. Say your goal is you want to read more, right? Set steps in order to reach that goal. So since you want to read more, set a step. Say, okay, let me go to the bookstore and get a self-help book. That's the first step. Second step is, okay, let me read 5 pages a day. That's the second step. That's progress. The third step is, okay, maybe I could read more than 5 a day. Maybe let me read 10 pages a day. See, that's steps. And then maybe you could actually wake up at a certain time to read that book, or like, yeah, just plan on reading that book throughout the day. Those are steps to achieve that goal, if you know what I mean. So that is very important. Set those steps to that goal. So that is part of planning, and I really do hope that helped. You could also do New Year's resolutions that some people do, where they just make up a list of things that they want to do for the new year and they accomplish it, and then some people don't. Alright, so some people actually have this thing where they pick a word for the new year, and it's called Word of the Year. They just pick a word that's literally going to be their goal for the year. So say if you are stressed out and you need less stress, maybe your word of the year is balance or self-care. That whole year you're going to work on balance and self-care. So that's some things that people do. And then they also do, like, say if you was in a house last year, or like you just introvert, and you just want to work on that, you can actually set your word of the year to fun or outgoing or something like that. So you can focus on going out more, exploring more, and just having fun just with yourself, or you could have fun with your friends. Those are the tips and advice that I got for you to reset your mindset for 2023. I really do hope it helped, because I'm going to use these tips and advice as well. So yeah, I hope it helps you like it helped me, okay? So get into it if you can. If you really like this video, give this video a like, and then subscribe to my channel as well, because I'm trying to like reach more people and give them more advice, because what's better than helping somebody? Because I wish I had the help I'm giving myself right now. So I hope it helped y'all. Alright, so that is the video for today, and I really do hope y'all like it. I will see you in the next video.